One of the surprisingly common problems for infertility today is what I call the sexless marriage. Now, this is not really infertility because the technical or the medical definition of infertility is when you've been trying to have a baby by having regular unprotected intercourse at least for a year and then fail to get pregnant. Now, a lot of these couples are therefore technically not infertile, so let's call them childless. But this is social infertility or social childlessness, which means they're so busy that they just don't have time to have sex with each other. The sometimes very high powered consultant, the wife is traveling, the husband is traveling. If they're lucky, perhaps they meet on a weekend, and on the weekend they're so busy doing all the household stuff that don't have the energy. Some of these guys have zero libido. Some of these guys just have so much stress in their life that they can't even get an erection. And many of these modern urban couples were so busy establishing a career for themselves or pursuing their profession is that not only don't they have time to have sex, even when they do try to have sex, they end up with sexual difficulties such as erectile dysfunction or impotence or vaginismus, which is such a shame. Because the irony is that the price you're now paying for professional success is the personal price of being unable to have a baby because your marriage has become sexless. And then these are the couples who are then forced to go to a doctor for IVF treatment. The good news is there is a simpler treatment option, what's called self-insemination, which you can do for yourself in your bedroom. But honestly, I don't think that's your plan A. It's much more fun to have sex in your bedroom and make a baby rather than use a kit or go to a doctor. So please get your priorities in order.